The presidency has no right to dictate conditions that the state government has to run to suit a particular group of individuals. The River State people say no to such an agreement. It cannot hold. The president cannot dictate to the governor what to do to please a particular group of people who are so greedy, who we so elected, and they vacated the city.
No. We are not unaware of the antics of powermongers. And then our governor was democratically elected like every other person that would subdue him to any form of pressure. We understood that he took a position under duress. And then here we are to tell him that we voted in him. Here we are to share in this Christmas solidarity, to give him